Hey there, Shawn Bayley, and welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about my new book, The 7-Figure High-Ticket Coaching Method. And I'm super excited, so let me tell you a little bit about it. First off, how do you get the book? Well, all you have to do is just click the link below this video, or you can go over to the website. It's certifiedmarketinglabs.com/book. The great thing is that you can get the book for just $5. The cool thing is I love to over-deliver, so you get 5 awesome bonuses with the book when you go and purchase it. So this book is for coaches, experts, consultants, people who are serving clients and want to scale to 7 figures by only working with pre-qualified clients. This is for people who want to run a high-ticket coaching business that allows you to focus on helping people and doing what you do best. And if you want to turn prospects into premium clients for your $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 coaching offers, you're going to want to read this book because it's going to show you how to sell high-ticket coaching that changes lives and helps make the world a better place. So my main reason for creating this is for coaches who want to beat the 3-year cycle. You see, what happens is that most coaches, they actually only last 3 years before they have to pack it in. And usually it's a result of a lack of money. They're not getting enough revenue from their clients. They're not getting enough clients to bring in revenue. And that ends with them giving up. So I'm using this book to help coaches beat that 3-year cycle. Now, the reason why you want this book is that basically I've worked for a 7-figure guru. I saw all the nuts and bolts of $1 million a year business. And I break it all down inside the book because I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how it's done. So if you've ever struggled to land clients who are willing to pay $3,000 to $10,000 for your coaching, it's not your fault. You've likely just overcomplicated things. And you really only need 3 things, and I'm going to go over those 3 things inside the book. So either you can take me up on this very affordable book that you can read in a single afternoon, or you can get left behind and fall victim to the 3-year coaching cycle of defeat. Now, I've been doing this for a long time. I'm a certified copywriter and a top funnel builder, and that's how I got to work with a 7-figure guru. He needed copy and offer coaches to work with his students, and that's what I did for him. The cool thing is I got to see how 7-figure coaches land clients who pay $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, and I'm revealing all those secrets, the funnel, the systems, and the numbers behind a $1 million per year coaching business. You're going to see how to set up and test your audience in advance to your audience before you put in any time and effort building anything. Now, how to get started with this? It's really simple. It's a digital book, it's $5, and there's 5 awesome bonuses that go with the book. You're 100% guaranteed to love this book. If 1 year from now you decide you want a refund on this book, just hit me up and I will happily refund every penny because I demand that you love this book and think it is the greatest thing since sliced bread. And the great thing is that you can have this book in about 10 minutes from now. Go to certifiedmarketinglabs.com/book. Go get the book and we'll send you email access after you purchase. All you have to do is just set up your password and use the same email that you purchased with. And like I say, you are guaranteed to love it. So don't miss out on this because you know you're going to spend more than $5 on crappy coffee this week, right? Whereas this book is $5. A year from now, you could have implemented what's in this book and added an extra $5,000 to $25,000 per month to your bottom line, or you can pass and just keep chasing shiny objects. Because you know that selling low ticket or even $1,000 courses isn't the fastest way to $1,000. It's with $5,000, $10,000, even $25,000 offers. And my mentor is a 2 Comma Club winner, and he did it with high-ticket coaching. So you can come back to this video in 6 months from now after you've wasted time on other videos and blog posts, after you've watched other coaches surge past you and you're still struggling, or you can get this book. So again, it's really simple. It's a digital book for $5. You're 100% guaranteed to love this book. I give you a full year to go through it. And all you have to do is go to certifiedmarketinglabs.com/book or click the link below this video and you can have this video in your possession in about 10 minutes from now. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you inside.